Apple today announced a raft of new technologies, and most important for Final Cut Pro, it is a move to a new processor known as Apple Silicon and a new streamlined macOS Big Sur. The new interface for the Macs has the look and feel of an iPad app. Final Cut Pro interface looks much the same as the current version. However, there will still be some Intel-based Macs this year. When these new Apple Silicon Macs ship, they will have a new translator called Rostetta 2, and this will convert Intel-based apps into the new format as the app is loaded. So the old Intel-based apps will run on the new Macs that will start shipping by the end of this year. The full transition is expected to be completed in 2 years. Most, if not all, Apple apps will be native at time of shipping. Final Cut Pro will be native from day one. The new processors allow for a new experience for the Pro apps. Let's look at a demo of Photoshop and Final Cut Pro.
Let me show you the app I know many of you want to see, Photoshop. Here's a 5 gigabyte Photoshop file by photographer Stephen Wilkes. Now, this is a heavy-duty document with lots of layers. Now, let's add one more bird in there. Let's check out how smooth the animation is as I zoom out. Wow, beautiful. Finally, let's turn to one of our most sophisticated apps, Final Cut Pro. Here it is running on Apple Silicon for the first time. Let's play back some 4K video. As you can see, playback is super smooth, and all your filters are here, and you can apply them in real time. Let's try some color correction. And I can even add animated titles and lens flare, all during live playback. And Final Cut takes advantage of the unique capabilities of the Apple Neural Engine with a new feature that analyzes video and intelligently crops it to keep the most important action in the frame. But that's not all. Final Cut fully exploits the system's multi-core architecture to let us play back not just 1 or 2, but 3 streams of full resolution 4K ProRes, all on an A12Z processor.